Underneath Culzean Castle there are some caves. They're deep and dark and I've never been in them. And I'm not going in them today because it's a 3-mile walk to get to them. But I am going to send my drone there. The drone's not going to go in either, but the drone's going to fly down and have a look at the bottom of Culzean Castle, which is just down here behind me, off in the distance. And that's where the caves and their hidden secrets are. So let's have a look at the caves of Culzean Castle.
Beneath the stones of Culzean's keep, where the sea caves breathe and the shadows creep, a piper marched with a tune so bold into the dark, where the tide runs cold. Oh, the pipes still cry in the midnight air, a ghostly song of a soul laid bare, through hollow walls and the ocean's moan. The piper of Culzean still plays alone. They say he walked where no light dares fall, past dripping walls and the seabirds call. His music strong, but it faded fast as the echo claimed him, a breath, a gasp.